In this lesson, we'll understand the role of the first connection server in a Horizon 8 deployment. The Horizon connection server is the main broker in Horizon. It is one of the most important components in the entire stack. It authenticates users, checks which desktops or applications they are authorized to use, and ensures they connect to the right resources. Today we install the first connection server, which truly serves as the heart of your Horizon environment. Remember, users connect to the connection server first, never directly to the desktops themselves. The server meticulously checks identity, policies, entitlements, and available resources before brokering the connection. Once verified, it sends the user to the correct desktop or published application seamlessly. This fast server also forms the base of the Horizon pod, allowing us to add more servers later for high availability and redundancy. Thank you for watching. See you in the next lesson as we continue our deployment.